Good morning, judges. Welcome to this presentation. On this occasion, I will present our team paper entitled A Comparative Study of Supervised Machine Algorithms for Fake Review Detection. Our team consists of I, Frederick Setievi, Jessica Natalia, Theodore Reinhard Chang, with the advisors are Mr. Darwin Suhartono and Mr. Ivan Sebastian. This presentation is divided into 5 main topics: introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and also conclusion. The first is introduction. Online shopping has become a thing that is growing rapidly at the end of this year. Plus, during this pandemic, people are used to shopping online at home. In line with the increase in user growth, there are also more sellers in e-commerce. The e-commerce market in Indonesia is predicted to increase by 23.8% by the end of 2022. In buying goods, users are increasingly dependent on existing product review comments to determine purchasing decision. Research from Break Local shows that 91% of adults trust the reviews on the internet as a purchase recommendation, and 93% of shoppers say that product review influence their decisions. Therefore, sellers are increasingly competing to able to sell their goods to consumers. One quick way is to make a fake review on their selling products. Data from the Washington Post states that 61% of product reviews on Amazon are fake reviews. This fake review is very detrimental to customers and other sellers. Consumers can be deceived and don't want to shop online anymore, while other sellers are harmed because they get a bad reputation from other users. Review is a product review that is created automatically by a computer or made by human. Fake reviews also have a disastrous impact on the economy, which affects online shopping spending globally. This problem situation makes us concerned about being able to accurately detect fake reviews to be able to identify fake reviews on e-commerce. One way to detect fake reviews is through a supervised machine learning algorithm, where we train the model to recognize which reviews are real and which are fake. The goal of our research is to compare supervised machine learning algorithms so that the model can accurately detect the fake review. Next, literature review. In some of the literature reviews that we found, e-commerce datasets to detect fake reviews are still quite rare. Most of the previous research studies on hotel reviews. From research supervised machine learning to detect previous fake reviews, the algorithms that are often used and become the algorithms that get the highest accuracy to detect fake reviews are support machine algorithm, logistic regression, random forest, adaptive boosting, naive Bayes, and k-nearest neighbors. Next, methodology. The proposed method used in this paper is shown in the flowchart. First, collect the dataset. Next, the dataset used in this study is provided by a paper from Johnny Salminen. The dataset consists of 40,000 reviews of various types of product in e-commerce with 2,000 real reviews and 2,000 fake reviews. Fake reviews are generated automatically and randomly, while honest reviews are obtained from the Amazon dataset. We use the review text as input for the training model, and the output is either a real review or fake review. Next, moving to the data preprocessing process, the dataset will be cleaned using the lower casing, removing special character, stop words cleaning, and lemmatization method. After the data is cleaned, we extract the features in the review text using TI-IDF so that the text string will be extracted into a number that has a weight value according to the number of items that appeared in the document. Next, after the dataset is ready, the dataset will be split into 80% of training data and 20% of testing data. Right after that, the model is built. In this study, we are using Google Colab and Python language to build the model. Algorithms chosen in this research are support vector machine, logistic regression, and random forest. We conduct two processes which are training with default parameter and with hyperparameter tuning. Move to the validation testing for the evaluation metrics to compare which model is better. Accuracy, recall, precision, and F1 score are used. The main parameter is accuracy. The last of all processes, the model with the best accuracy will be obtained both before and after tuning. Next, result and discussion. The experiment begins by training the model with the default parameters of the package. It was found that SVM has superior with an accuracy of 88.89%, slightly different when compared to logistic regression with 87.7% and random forest with 85.13%. SVM is better than the other two because it can normalize the data or project the highest margin into the space of the discussion boundary, separating the two classes between fake and real reviews. In subsequent experiments, we conduct the hyperparameter tuning with those three algorithms using 5-fold cross-validation. Tuning in SVM shows that SVM with the parameter kernel of RBF, C equals 10, gamma is scale, get the highest accuracy in 89.77%. For logistic regression tuning, parameter C equals 6, penalty is L2, and solver is LDFGS, get the higher result of 88.12% of accuracy. The best result from the random forest tuning is achieved using the parameter of max features with log2 and estimators are 200 and criterion is entropy with 86.91% of accuracy. To sum up, this study has shown that the hyperparameter tuning process with 5-fold cross-validation improved every model's overall accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. At the same time, the super vector machine achieved the best in every aspect with the 89.77% accuracy after tuning and with parameters of RBF kernel, 10 of C, and scale gamma. Conclusion, this study aims to compare the best supervised machine learning algorithms to be able to detect fake reviews on e-commerce product reviews so that fake reviews can be detected and eliminated by the system. In this case, measured using accuracy. Of the three models being compared, which is SVM, LR, and RF, SVM excels both before and after tuning with an accuracy of 88.89% using the default parameters and 89.77% after being tuned. Although each model shows a higher accuracy results after being tuned, the increase in accuracy is still not significant. Therefore, for future research, we suggest that researchers can research related to more effective tuning methods to increase the accuracy of the three models. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention to listening our team's presentation. Thank you.